Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the some eyeshadows from Looxi. There's some singles that I picked out that I'm going to make a look out of. And we're going to be seeing what type of formula they have and just seeing if we like their quality. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, taking off my glasses. Let me put some Milani eye primer on. Now it is sprinkling a little bit, so we do have some ASMR going on. If you're new here, my filming room, makeup room is a sunroom. It's the only place that I really had to put it because we have 3 kids, so each one of them has their own room, and then we have our room, so our rooms are full. So I have a window unit in here. Sometimes you'll hear if I forget to turn it off. And the roof of this room, the sunroom, is metal. So, and it don't have insulation, so you can hear the rain when it's raining, which can be nice, but can be distracting too. So hopefully it's not too distracting. It's just sprinkling right now. And my hair's a mess because we had to go to Walmart to get some groceries earlier and get some stuff to fix our tub because our daughter, she decided to clean the tub so her boyfriend could come over. So she was cleaning the house and cleaned the tub, and she took the stopper or the drain thing out, and she obviously let like a razor cover, like the plastic razor cover, go down the drain. So we're trying to figure out how to fix that right now, which my husband's dad was a handyman all of his life, so my husband knows how to fix it. He just doesn't want to have to do what he thinks he's going to have to do to fix it, which is pulling the pipe out and getting it out and all that fun stuff. So joys of being a parent. At least she cleaned the bathtub, but I don't know, it's dirty now with all the water in it. Alright, so I'm going to take this shade. It's called Everything. Hopefully y'all can see that good. And I'm going to put that shade in my crease. And I'm using my BK Beauty 201, which is just the regular fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this shade. It's called Complicated. It's kind of like a dark blue, navy color. I'm going to put that on my outside corner of my eye. And I'm using the BK Beauty 202 brush. It's the fluffy taper brush. I'm going to use this shade next. It's Taupe 101 is the shade name. And I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. I was also going to show you guys, this is what they came in, this little envelope thingy. Super cute. I'm going to clean up my lines with a cotton round, some micellar water real quick. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. And I'm going to dot that on my face real quick. And this is the one that's supposed to be the dupe for Milk Makeup Hydra Grip or whatever it is. Now I'm taking the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in 112 Natural Ivory. And I'm going to dot that on my face as well. Oh, it's Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation. And I'm blending that in with my Sigma Multitasker brush. I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. And I'm dotting that on my under eyes. Hopefully that's not too much. I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm taking the Maybelline City Bronzer in 200. I think it's like medium. And I'm going to put that on my face to get a little color on my face. I'm going under my chin, down my neck. The rain's starting to get louder. I'm going to take the Milani Blossom Time Rose Powder Blush. And I'm going to use that to get some color on my cheeks. And I'm taking, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, Evie Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in 24K Magic. I got this in my Ipsy. I got another one, but I looked in there and it was broke when I looked in there, so I'm going to have to figure out what to do with it. But I'm going to put this on the high points of my face. Going over my one eyebrow, and over the other eyebrow, down the nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to go underneath with the blue shade. What's it called again? Complicated. I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of everything that I got on my crease, and I'm just going to blend out that blue shade with everything. I'm taking this shade called Latte, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to put on some Lash Princess real quick. If you didn't realize, this is my favorite mascara. I'm taking NYX Butter Gloss and Praline. I'm going to put that on my lips real quick. I'm taking the L'Oreal Lumis Shake and Glow Dew Mist. And I'm spraying that on my face. Alright, well this is the final look using my Looxi Shadows. They're really great shadows, really pigmented. I didn't have much trouble with fallout or anything like that. So very blendable, The blue took me a little bit because I'm not used to using blue, and for some reason blue is a little weird for me. It just seemed like I couldn't get my eyes to match or something. I don't know. So today's a little weird for me. I do like the look. I think that it looks cute. I just wish I would have taken more time to get them to match. No, I think they look good. I think it's just me. I think I'm being too hard on myself. I'm being too particular. So I think it looks good. But yeah, I really enjoyed the Looxi shadows. I know they have some multi-chromes and stuff like that too. I haven't tried any of those out. I think they were all sold out when I looked too. But the shimmer shades just went on like butter. Just gorgeous. So the shimmer shades are beautiful. I think the mattes blended out very well, beautiful. But I think this is kind of a little different look for me with the blue. Like I said, I don't use blue a whole lot, but I really, really enjoy how it looks. I did have, with the blue shade, it kind of cracked on me. And see how it kind of got a little chip in it, but I'm not too worried about it. It did kind of get all on me for a second there, but I cleaned it up. Everything's all good. But other than that, and I put my thumbnail in one of the shades trying to pick it up. One of the shimmer shades, the one I use for my inner corner. But I fixed that too, so I'm not used to using single shadows. I use palettes, so that I'm trying to get used to using single shadow. I'm really excited about being able to play with these some more. They're really pretty. I know I got a ton of shimmer shadows that would look really good with a lot of palettes I already have, so. But I want to try some more. I also want to try some Sydney Grace single shadows as well. I know she has some really beautiful. I love the palette that I have over the Tiny Marvels with Mel Thompson. I know I really love that palette, so I'd love to try some of their singles too. I've been going through Instagram and kind of researching some different indie brands, and I'm going to try to start reviewing some indie brands instead of just some mainstream brands, because I feel like they should be highlighted as well, because there's a lot of great brands out there that aren't getting enough attention. So I'm going to be kind of dipping my toe into some indie stuff, so keep your eye out for that. Also, I still have my giveaway going on for hitting 50 subscribers. You can have a choice of the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, or I always forget, Sweet Talk palette, or the Juvia's Place Nubian palette. And if you'll just comment, I guess you can comment down below too, just which of those palettes that you would want to have. Also subscribe and like the video and ring the bell as well, and if you do all those things, then you'll be entered in the giveaway. And I'm going to give it a couple of days and I'll announce the winner. So, but if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye y'all.